I've had the most amazing weekend here at the Fazlani's Nature's Nest. I can't believe a place like this exists just 2 hours from Mumbai, right in the midst of nature. It's got a lake, it's got greenery everywhere, it's got a host of animals, horses, goats, geese, name it. And organic farming, oh my god, the food is unbelievable. Really enjoyed my stay over here. And you know what was special? The spa treatments. Oh my god, I've never felt so relaxed in my life. When we have so much stress in Mumbai and you're constantly searching for a small getaway where you really can't, take off on a long holiday. The amazing part of Fazlani's Nature's Nest is that having all the luxury, you can still enjoy nature. I went for a long trek by the lakeside. I rode horses. I did pottery. There's just so much to do, you don't know how time passes over here.